Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I have decided to show you the settings of the Redmi 6 smartphone, the budget smartphone you can buy, and you can have many more settings in this smartphone. I will show you all the things you need to see on the settings of this Redmi 6 budget smartphone. Before we go to the video, please click the red subscribe button there to get touch with my channel and ring the bell to get the latest notification, and watch till the end to have a good view of this smartphone. Right, let's go to the settings tab. You can see all the settings in this smartphone. First we go to the about phone. After updating a system update MIUI global 10.3 version, this is a stable version. You can see the device name Redmi 6 and the model number, and the Android version latest Android version is 8.1.0. Here you can see the Android version. RAM is 3GB, internal storage is 32GB. Right, I have updated in 2019 third first. When I go to back, the systems apps updater, there is a separate setting that you can update even system apps. Right, when you go to the settings of the system apps, you can allow system apps to update in the auto updates, that means using Wi-Fi. When we go back again, security status, find device, security update, and Google Play Protect. This find device option is very useful when your device was misplaced by yourself. Right, you can find this device using this find this device option. And the SIM cards and mobile network settings, so these are 1 and 2 are my service providers. These are the settings. You can set default settings for the internet dialing, and you can see here in the below dial and internet. I have set both settings in the for the same service provider. You can set even a data plan to control your data usage. There is tons of settings in this Redmi 6 budget smartphone. Dual 4G zone. Right, okay, then we can go to the Wi-Fi settings. You can see the Wi-Fi settings and the Bluetooth, it's normal, and the portable hotspot is also available. You can see the available settings in the portable hotspot. Right, then there is a VPN also. I have installed third-party VPN also, but it is not necessary to install third-party VPN because the system has provided for you a custom VPN. You can set your own VPN by turn on this VPN. Add VPN, you can set a name and anything. I don't know how to set up a VPN. If you have a knowledge, you can set your own VPN. Right, when we go back to the data usage, you can see the apps available. When we go to the cartoon photo app, you can set the different settings related to the mobile data. You can see the different usages, app wise data usage. Right, let's see TikTok app. Right, mobile data, I haven't used mobile data for this TikTok app because it consumes more data. I'm use most of the time I'm using my Wi-Fi network. Let me show you the Instagram. Is it available? Let's see. I saw that they are Instagram app. Wait it. No, it's okay. Alright, here. No mobile data usage. Here you have an option to see the app option. Storage, data usage around 238 megabytes. Battery percentage, it has been consuming 3% too. Auto start option is disabled, and you can change the app permission. You can enable or disable the app permission by using these settings. When you're using this app, you can see the battery server options. Restricted background apps, restricts background activity, right? Likewise, many settings are available in this budget smartphone. Actually, this is amazing, very nice for a price. Then we can go to more settings. You can see the airplane mode, Bluetooth tethering, wireless display, networks reset settings, emergency broadcast. Right, then the display, you can see the brightness level. That's too much. Even you can set automatic brightness. And the reading mode, there is another reading mode available, right? You can see the color changes, and also you can make a schedule to turn on or turn off the reading mode, right? Good night street and the custom period also available. I don't want it. If you want it, you can set a custom reading mode using this smartphone Redmi 6. Text size, contrast colors. You can see the double tap screen to wake option, and rise to wake also available. Sometimes this is annoying because when we uh, moving the phone, also screen will be on, but it won't happen in disable. And the wallpapers are available. Many wallpapers are available as usual, and the themes also available, different themes. If you want to download more themes, you can go to here, find more. You will see tons of themes in this store. Different themes and wallpapers are also available. You can download any of them based on your preference, right? And the sound and vibration, silent, and this option regular, silent. So you can see the settings under the section of the silent. You can set a schedule also, timer 1, timer 2, timer 3, likewise. And music stream also you can turn on or turn off. And the media volume, alarm volume, ring volume separately you can adjust. And the ringing tone after receiving a message, calendar sound, default sound notifications, and these settings are available under the sound and vibration section. Tap sounds, screen lock sound, even there is a delete sound. Many phones don't have a delete sound, right? This Redmi 6 smartphone has different options under a variety of categories, right? Let's go back. Then you can see the lock screen and password here. You may know this smartphone has fingerprint option, and you can manage your fingerprints. Right, I'm going to back. Manage your face data. You know this smartphone has a face unlock ability and set screen lock, privacy and protection password. Right, you can lock images, movies, music using this privacy protection password. None of your friends will be able to see those things. Sleep activity, wake lock screen notifications, and advanced settings. You can see different things are available. In this pocket mode has on because it will automatically lock the screen and turn off the screen when you keep your mobile phone in your pocket. Right, let's go back again. And notification and status bar, app notifications. You can set individual app notifications. Right, I'm going to go back, and you can see the settings, battery indicator. Right here, not status bar is means here. Right, all the necessary settings are available in this Redmi 6 smartphone. You can see all the things. I'm using the screen recorder in the phone itself. Right, I'm going to go back, and then home screen and recents. You can see these settings. Right, and the second space, you can turn on second space to protect your privacy, to create a completely separate location for your private photos, musics and videos, and absolutely risk free second space smartphone. Right, this is a very important option that your phone should have. Right, I'm going to go back, and the battery and the performance is very good in this smartphone. You can see the battery option optimization. You can optimize the battery, it's very good. And the power usage, app wise and hardware wise power usage, you can see separately. And also a battery saver, if you have enabled, if you have installed third-party app to save battery, you can select apps for this purpose. I'm going to go back again, and the storage, you may already have seen this Redmi 6 smartphone has 32 GB storage, and the cleaner also available you to clean unnecessary cache files, obsolete files, packages, residuals, and the memory also. Right, I'm going to go back, and the emergency SOS facility is also available. You can see these settings I have not enabled yet. Right, and the Google, you can see your Google accounts and the details for these settings. Additional settings, date and time, languages, region, privacy, quick ball, button and gesture shortcuts, notification light. Many settings are available. Right, when you go to quick ball, you can turn on or turn off your quick ball. I think no, cancel, restore defaults, lock screen. Right, you can see a tiny quick ball is available here. This is quick ball. Right, I'm going to go back, and likewise many settings are available in this smartphone. You can see my account, sync, system app settings, manage app, dual app settings, permissions, app lock, and finally feedback. Right, manage apps, you can uninstall, or make dual apps or set permissions for each individual app after your selection based on your preference, right? So I don't think that many phones don't have this much of settings you to adjust. So this uh, after updating MIUI Global 10.3 version in this Redmi 6 smartphone, you will get different system settings, custom settings you can adjust. Okay, I wanted to show you why you should buy this smartphone. How many settings you can control, how many things you can control after updating to MIUI Global 10.3 version. Okay, please try to have a real experience with Redmi 6 smartphone. I wanted to show you all these settings before you buy. You may see I will come with another important video for you on this Redmi 6 smartphone. So to get that latest navigation update, please click the notification button and subscribe for my channel and share this video with your friends who may need to see this video. Please comment if you have anything to ask, and I will be back with another video for you soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.